Hello beauties, welcome back to Beauty Unlocked. Today I'm going to share with you a natural keratin treatment that you can easily prepare at home. If you struggle with frizz, dullness or rough hair and wish your hair looks straighter, stronger and shinier, this video is for you. This treatment is 100% natural and completely chemical free. It uses phytokeratin that comes directly from a vegetable you already know. Lady's finger. It is rich in vitamin A and proteins that act like natural keratin. These properties nourish your hair deeply and make it smooth and glossy without the need for expensive salon treatments. The best part is that this remedy can be used in two ways. You can apply it as a nourishing hair mask, or you can even consume lady's finger for its nutritional benefits, which support your overall hair health from the inside. Now let's talk about the ingredients and why each one is important. The main ingredient is lady's finger, which provides phytokeratin and essential vitamins to improve texture. Next is rice flour or cornstarch. These act as natural thickening agents, but rice flour also supports hair regeneration and adds strength. Finally, we add oils. Coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil or olive oil can all be used. These oils add deep moisture and nourishment. You can choose the oil based on your hair type or even mix two oils together. Let's move into the preparation step by step. Step 1. Take about 5 pieces of lady's finger. Wash them and chop them into small pieces. Step 2. Add these chopped pieces flax seeds into a pan with 1 glass of water and let it boil for around 10 minutes. You will notice the mixture becoming slightly slimy, which is exactly what we need. Step 3. Once boiled, allow the mixture to cool down. Blend it into a smooth liquid and strain it through a clean cloth to remove any leftover solids. Step 4. In another bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of rice flour or cornstarch with 1/4 cup of water. Stir it until there are no lumps. Step 5. Place the lady's finger mixture back on low heat and slowly add the rice flour mixture while stirring continuously. This will help the mixture thicken into a smooth paste. Step 6. Strain it one more time so the texture is silky and smooth. Step 7. Add the oil. If you have oily hair, add about 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of oil. If your hair is dry, frizzy, or has split ends, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use coconut oil for deep hydration, jojoba oil for balancing, almond oil for nourishment, or olive oil for shine. Your herbal keratin mask is now ready to use. Here's how to apply it. Divide your hair into sections and start applying the mask from the roots all the way to the tips. Make sure every strand is coated well. The mask is safe for the scalp unless you are allergic to any of the ingredients. Once applied, cover your hair with a shower cap or any suitable cover to keep the mask in place. Leave it on for 1.5 to 2 hours. After that, rinse your hair thoroughly with plain water. Do not use shampoo. Allow your hair to air dry naturally. Avoid using hair dryers or fans because heat and artificial drying can damage the effect of this treatment. Now let's clarify what this treatment can and cannot do. This is not a solution for hair regrowth or for stopping hair fall caused by deeper health issues such as vitamin D3 deficiency, low iron or ferritin levels, or hormonal imbalances. Hair fall caused by such conditions must be treated from within by improving nutrition and hormonal balance. This mask mainly helps in improving texture, shine, smoothness, and reducing frizz. It is important to remember that the effects are not permanent. Just like salon keratin treatments, this too needs to be repeated regularly. For best results, use it 1 to 2 times per week. With regular use, you will notice your hair becoming softer, shinier, and more manageable. Using it only once will not be enough for long-lasting effects because the phytokeratin from lady's finger works temporarily. This remedy does not replace clinical treatments for hair loss or medical scalp conditions, but it is a safe, affordable, and effective way to naturally improve the look and feel of your hair. Before I wrap up, here's some expert advice. Hair growth and strength depend a lot on internal health. Nutrition, hormones, stress management, and overall lifestyle play a big role. External remedies like this mask can help with texture and shine, but for stronger and healthier hair growth, you also need to take care of your diet, your vitamin levels, and your mental health. So, give this natural herbal keratin mask a try and see how your hair responds. Share your results with us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty Unlocked for more natural beauty and wellness tips. Stay happy, stay healthy, and let your natural beauty shine. Thank you for watching.